In this video, we'll see slightly Indian version of Italian recipe gnocchi. Let's get started. To make gnocchi, we need 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. While boiling potatoes, do not add a lot of water in your pressure cooker because we do not want the potatoes to become watery. Now grate the potatoes. You can use medium-sized grater for this. So here are the grated potatoes. Now add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, salt as per taste, and give it a good mix. Do not knead or mix a lot. It's very important. Now next I'm adding 1 egg. This is totally optional. If you do not eat egg, you can skip this. Okay, so if you do not like or do not eat egg, you can skip egg. Now add 3/4 cup maida. So you don't need to add all the maida at once, and what you need to do is just gently mix. Do not try to knead it like your chapati or roti dough. If you feel that the mixture is loose, you can add a little more maida. The best way is to use potatoes which are used to make French fries, the ones which are soiled, the dirty ones, not the waxy ones. Now next step is to roll or shape the gnocchi. So I'm rolling the dough like this and dividing it into small portions, small parts. You can use a knife or a pizza cutter to do this. You can use your fork to give gnocchi its shape this way, or you can simply press it in center so that it holds sauce like this. This is easy. You can do whatever you like. I'm making some more gnocchi, but I wouldn't be using the entire dough in this video. But the serving which I'm going to show in this video, you can make 3 such servings with this amount of dough. Now heat a kadhai or pan and add 1 teaspoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and saute at medium flame for 10 to 15 seconds or till the raw smell is gone. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Now saute till the onions become slightly pink in color. Simultaneously heat some water and drop in the gnocchi. So the water should be boiling when you drop in the gnocchi. Be careful, and you need to keep the flame between low to medium, and you would notice that gradually the gnocchi would start coming to the top. While that's happening, add 1 green chilli and just saute the onions. The gnocchi has started to come on the top. This would take around 2 to 3 minutes. So immediately take it out like this and drop into your pan with sauteed onions. Do not discard the water because we are going to use that water. Not the entire water, a little bit of it. Half teaspoon Italian herbs, so you can just add oregano, 1 teaspoon butter and 1 slice of cheese. You can also use half cube of processed cheese, or you can skip cheese. Now this is the water from gnocchi, 1/4 cup. Keep the flame between low to medium and you would notice that the cheese would melt gradually. If required, you can add a little more water from the gnocchi, boiled gnocchi. And this is ready. Serve this delicious pillowy soft gnocchi right away. You can add some chopped garlic chives, but this is optional. I hope you like this recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.